have another question, sir.
I just wanted to know what time do you think is the best time for a cup of city blends and why? What time would be the best to have a cup of city blends and
what
why?
time?
We'll hear this one
Actually, kanina mo pinag-uusapan din namin.
with Nadine. It's small,
The
so
small
it's good
one.
for the morning person. Just a little bit of coffee to perk you up. Slightly larger for nighttime just to keep you awake. And that's me as a night person. And if you're an addict,
Sige po.
I hope that answers your question.
Is that okay mo yun? Or
Thank you, that's awesome.
you're okay na po dun? Thank you po.
Hi James, hi Nadine.
Hello po.
I'm here. Ted Claudio, WhatsApp.ph.
No.
Hello po.
Yeah. James, if you are given the creative freedom to dictate how the commercial will end, so what will be the ending that you would like for the commercial? And maybe also the question applies also to Nadine.
Actually, I like the one that's out already. Because it's medyo bitin. And I think that's what I like about it. You want to know what the endings are. But I like the way it is. It leaves you wanting more.
So how about you Nadine? You want it also bitin?
Ano po? Sorry po.
James said he wants the ending of the story to be bitin. So I'm asking you whether you want the story to end also bitin or conclusive.
Kung dun po siya masaya. Kung saan siya masaya. Hindi, it's nice po kasi pagbitin. Parang after the commercial, paisip, oh my God, ano kayang mangyayari? Ano kayang iniisip nila? Or ano kayang kasunod? Gives you yung curiosity. Ako ba, I love yung mga ganun, yung mga bitin. Para mapaisip mo, ay, next time pag may susunod, aabangan ko.
Kumain kasi na din malapitan eh.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Alright, we have last question. Salikod.
Yes, question from the 7-Eleven Twitter follower. Ano daw yung sekreto behind the nakakakilig na tambalan ng game?
Magic.
Actually, yung question po na yan, palagi yung tinatanong sa amin. And pag tinatanong po nila, hindi po namin alam kung ano yung sasagot namin. Always po, I don't know. Ikaw, what do you think? Kasi if it works, it works. Sabi mo, chemistry. Baka naman
Sometimes, if it works, it works. It's that way. Some things go well together, some things don't. So we don't. It's hard to explain because we don't know. We really don't know.
Thank you po.
Alright, thank you very much. So, thank you, JD, for your honest to goodness answers, and to our friends, media, bloggers, and solid JD fans. So, with the request of James, we shall watch again the endings. Yes.
Siyempre, so honest. May gusto din sana ako sabihin sa'yo. Pero akam na lang. Magdaan na naman ulit.
Yun ba yun, James? Yung may favorite mo? Yun na yun. Yun daw yung favorite ni James. Bakit? Ako naman yung may question. Bakit yun yung favorite mo?
It was really funny to shoot. During the shoot, it was really funny.
Mm-hmm.
We had the whole production team come in the back,
Uh-huh.
and it was fun. And that was the last scene of the night, so.
Sa afternoon, it's a wrap. So, mas masaya. Ayun naman pala. So, again, palakpakan natin ang JT. And I just wanna announce the winners of the signed cups. You can claim your prizes sa registration booth outside. So, any final message to everyone here this afternoon?
Thank you, 7-Eleven, for having us. It's been an honor, it's been a pleasure, and yeah, to work with you in the future.
Yes po. And thank you po for coming. We hope you enjoyed po. Salamat po. And thank you po sa cake and sa flowers. Maraming salamat ng 7-Eleven family. Maraming salamat.
At this point, may we invite the people from 7-Eleven for a photo op with J. Dean.